हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज की हम वीडियो में बात करने जा रहे हैं कुछ पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस और कुछ नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस। इस वीडियो में आप देखेंगे आई विल जस्ट रीड वन पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस, देन आफ्टर दैट आई विल गिव यू द नेगेटिव सेंटेंस ऑफ द सेम पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस। ये पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव सेंटेंस ऐसे सेंटेंस हैं जो आपकी डेली कन्वर्सेशन में कुछ वेराइटी लेके आएंगे, क्योंकि जब तक कि हमारी डेली कन्वर्सेशन में कुछ वेराइटी नहीं होंगी तब तक हमारी जो कॉन्वर्सेशन है वो इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं बन सकती है। तो आज की आप वीडियो में देखेंगे कि किस तरीके से पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव सेंटेंस जो हम यूज करने जा रहे हैं ये आपकी डेली कॉन्वर्सेशन को कंप्लीटली चेंज कर देंगे, और आप देखेंगे कि किस तरीके से आपकी जो कॉन्वर्सेशन है इट्स गोइंग टू बी इंटरेस्टिंग, कैप्टिवेटिंग एंड प्रोडक्टिव वन। और जिसके सामने भी आप सेंटेंसेस बोलेंगे दे विल से वाओ, लाइक व्हाट, इट्स रियली वंडरफुल। सो विदाउट मच अडो, let's get started today's video. Opposite sentence, positive versus negative. First sentence is it is bright. If you have to describe what day, morning or like something else, what do you say? It is bright. The negative of this sentence will be it is dark. It is dark. Second sentence is the sun is shining. The sun is shining. Negative will be the sun is hidden. The sun is hidden. Next one is people are shopping. People are shopping. Negative. No one is shopping. No one is shopping. Let's move on. Next one. The view is stunning. The view is stunning. The negative will be the view is dull. The view is dull. Next sentence is he quickly grasped complex concepts. He quickly grasped complex concepts. Negative will be he struggles to understand even the simple ideas. He struggles to understand even the simple ideas. I hope that you're liking this, like positive and negative. You're learning these two things. One is positive sentence according to situation, and second is negative sentence according to situation. So you can use likewise. Number 6. She is dedicated to learning. Negative. She avoids learning. She avoids learning. Number 7. He is confident and approachable. He is confident and approachable. Negative. He is shy and withdrawn. He is shy and withdrawn. Number 8. People are welcoming and inclusive. People are welcoming and inclusive. Negative. The society is exclusive. The society is exclusive. Number 9. Her behavior is respectful and considerate. Her behavior is respectful and considerate. Negative. Her behavior is dismissive and apathetic. Her behavior is dismissive and apathetic. I see eye to eye on this. Eye to eye is a phrase which means to agree with someone. Negative. I beg to differ you on this. Beg to differ is also a phrase which means disagree with someone. So now you have learned two beautiful phrases. Number 1, see eye to eye, which means किसी से सहमत होना, and number 2, beg to differ, which means किसी से disagree करना. Number 11, life is full of opportunities. Negative. Life is full of challenges. Number 13. He enjoys a luxurious lifestyle. Negative. He struggles to make ends meet. It's another phrase, to make ends meet. Number 14. She is surrounded by supportive friends. Negative. She feels isolated with few connection. It's a beautiful sentence. She feels isolated with few connection. Number 15. I feel refreshed and ready to start my day. I feel refreshed and ready to start my day. Negative. I'm still exhausted and groggy. I'm still exhausted and groggy. Number 16. The afternoon is warm and pleasant. The afternoon is warm and pleasant. Negative. The afternoon is warm and oppressive. The afternoon is warm and oppressive. Next one. The night is calm and serene. Serene means peaceful. The night is calm and serene. Negative. The night is dark and unsettling. The night is dark and unsettling. Number 18. The city comes alive at night. The city comes alive at night. Negative. The city is dead at night. The city is dead at night. So friends, अगर आपको वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी है और अच्छी लगी है, so now I just want each one of you just to practice these sentences in your day-to-day conversation, and in couple of days you will see to it that how your English is going to be improved. And this video, or I mean to say that these sentences will take your English to the next level. If you like this video, so please don't forget to like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe it. And do let me know in the comment section how did you like this video.